welcome back to my channel once again.
Rupi, what are you going to make today?
Today I'm going to make a very simple dish. I'm going to make a leg of roast lamb. So to be precise, we are in Tenerife today. So I'm going to make a leg of goat, mountain goat. I bought this today. And to go with that, I've got some diced potatoes and some garlic, plenty of garlic. And then I've got some fresh herbs to go with that. I've got some rosemary, some sage, and then I've got some red pepper to go with that. That's optional. Then some dry herbs as well. But the key to this dish is a very good quality olive oil. Let's jump into the cooking now. So I've got a leg of mountain goat. It's about 2.5 to 2 kilos. So onto that, I've scored the meat already, okay? So I'm going to add plenty of extra virgin olive oil. That goes in there. That's the key to this dish. Plenty. You can't go wrong with olive oil. So onto that, I'm going to add some chopped sage and rosemary. That goes in there. And salt. You got to be very generous with the salt. Okay, the salt goes in there. And I've got some dry herbs. So that goes in there. Plenty of them. You see, that's flavor. And then give the lamb a nice rub with also all this olive oil. Right, okay. So with a nice rub, all those pretty bits in there. Right, so I've got some diced potatoes here with garlic. So that's going to go in there. So when you leave it in oven to cook, so these potatoes are going to cook in the olive oil and the goat fat, and it's going to taste absolutely delicious. Okay, so we're nearly done. A little bit more salt to go on the top, okay, and a bit more dry herbs, and a bit more salt, and do a little mix, and that's done. So here we got a leg of goat with olive oil, dry herbs, rosemary, sage, and plenty of potatoes and garlic. And this is going to go in the oven preheated at 180 degrees for as long as you want it to be. Ideally, I would leave it for about 2 hours and then it's ready to eat. This is going to go into the oven. Just follow me. That's preheated at 180 degrees. So I'm going to leave this on there for about 2 hours. The lamb has been roasting in the oven for 2 hours with all the olive oil, potatoes, dry herbs, rosemary and sage. I think it's ready to eat now. Looks delicious. Okay, to go with the roast lamb and potatoes, I've got some bread, and to dip onto that, I've got some olive oil and balsamic vinegar dip. Here, I've got bean and bean salad. So it's blanched green beans with the bean. And then this is a very basic salad to go with it. It's onion, tomatoes, cucumber, and some parsley, olive oil and salt. Because goat meat is so heavy, we need a lot of salad to go with that. Just to summarize what we got here, we got some leg of goat that's been roasted in olive oil and garlic and some dried herbs and some sage and rosemary. With that, I've got some potatoes and some basic side salad, and then I've got some bread here. So, and to dip the bread, I've got some olive oil and balsamic vinegar and some bean and bean salad, which is green beans blanched with the white bean, and some drinks to go with it. Cheers, enjoy.